When everything was closed, this Southside restaurant stayed open. It was actually the only place open on Sunday when the snowstorm hit the area.
ABC 13's Sarah Weitzman takes us inside Beck's Bar and Grill in South Boston.
Beck's Bar and Grill, how can I help you?
Known for their burgers, pizza, and beer, Beck's Bar and Grill cooked, served, and welcomed guests every day, even through a snowstorm.
If I can make it, I'm coming.
It's that simple for owner Crystal Chandler and her team. If they could make it to work, they did.
Well, I live on a main road, so it was actually clear. So I was able to get out and I had no problem.
And customers today weren't surprised by this.
It's the spirit of this place. It's like a family.
I pretty much come here every day after work. We tend to get off early, and this place is really nice during lunch. Not a lot of people here. Staff is good.
When you walk in, you're greeted immediately.
All right, I'm about to walk into Beck's Bar and Grill here in South Boston. Apparently this place has been open all week. Hello.
Hi, welcome to Beck's Bar and Grill. How are you today? How are you?
It's all a part of the Beck's business practice, to show up for others. For cook Tiffany Jones, she came not just to punch the time card, but to help her coworkers.
I knew Crystal needed help. They were going to be busy because it's always known when there's a storm, people always come out.
And the people that walked through these doors during the snowstorm.
Dominion, like your power line workers, you know, they're staying out. Your VDOT's out. They run 24-hour shifts at times.
It was pretty chaotic, being one of the only ones open in town, managing to-go orders plus dine-in.
We stayed packed. It was rough at times because it wasn't a whole lot of us here, but we made it work.
A lot of places were closed. They didn't want to stay cooped up in the house. So everybody wanted to come out, and well, we were the only ones open, so they came here.
And they will continue staying open as long as they can.
That's what we're here for. I mean, we're literally like hometown cheers, and we just want everybody to have a place to go. It was nice and warm. We had power. You know, we had hot food, so that's what we do.
In South Boston, Sarah Weitzman, ABC 13 News.